Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Friendly Expressions stamp set and the Botanical tag die set that I used on Monday's card as well. I'm just going to step it up a notch and do something slightly different. I'm going to take I think this is about a 2-inch piece of a strip of Whisper White card. Now, in retrospect, I probably would have done maybe 3 inches instead. And you can see that I'm die cutting out that flower image. I'm going to be doing it 3 times. And if I was to do this card again, I would have varied the last 2 die cuts just to make sure that they weren't kind of going in the same direction. That kind of bothered me, but it was different enough that it was okay. I figured. All right, so I'm fussy cutting now all the parts that didn't get cut. So I'm not going to use the little die that actually cuts things out because I want these connected. I'm trying to basically make my own, flower lace, almost actually. And I am trying to cut down as much as I can of the white piece of the white Whisper White card, trying to make a strip of very detailed flowers. So I did take my time and it was easy enough to do. I just had was watching a show and just fussy cutting to me isn't a problem. I remember my upline telling me one time, she's like, I would never fussy cut as much as you do. It's like second nature to me. I'm a hairstylist. Okay, I have a piece of basic black strip. I put a little bit of adhesive on the back. I've glued basically everything down. And now I'm going to release this one little flower and I'm going to stick it over top of the black. And I was going to try to do that. Can't do that with the middle one just because it wasn't cut as nicely, but I did that with the end one too. All right, so here is a piece of Whisper White card. I have my seasoned Melon Mambo sponge, Stampin' sponge, in circular motions. I am applying the ink. You can see I'm stamping or tapping off on my little piece of plastic here and moving on with the sponging in a circular motion. The second color I used is Pumpkin Pie. Third color I'm using is that Highland Heather. I've been wanting to use this sponging and it's beautiful. Okay, my favorite adhesive is going on, and now I'm just holding that little piece up and I'm going to slip the paper under it until I get where I need it to go. So you can see that the flowers are different colors now. Okay, so I'm going to trim off the excess. And I'm even going to trim off the black piece now. And my little scissors weren't cutting it, so I went to a bigger pair. All right, here it is. Now, I'm going in with my favorite black ink, which we don't sell anymore, so use your favorite black ink. And it says, congratulations to you. And then I'm going to adhere everything to, this is the new gray granite card. And I thought it was lovely. And that's pretty much it. That's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.